Hello guys, so this is Monetag as you can see on the screen here, and Monetag is just the same as Astera. So this particular video is going to help you earn a lot of revenue or a lot of fun using Monetag direct link for this particular video with a higher traffic too as well. So what you have to do here is to just subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and then we are to go into the video. But please note, I'm nowhere financial advisor. I only share stuff which works perfectly for me. But then, if you don't have an account of Astera or if you don't have an account of Monetag, check under the description below. There is a link there, tap on it and watch a video in my playlist on how you can start the process on registering. So today we are focusing on direct link. So our first thing here is to just go to direct link. As you can see, here is direct link. So we have 10 links currently right now here. So this is my demo account and here we go. So all you have to do here is to just click on create or add direct link. Once you click on that, it's going to generate a new link for you. So you can see direct link successfully created. You can see I have 11 links right now here. Good. So this is the link here, positive link. That's the name of the link which has been generated for us. Now the link is generated. All you have to do here is to just go to a new tab, search in for Blogger. All right, search in or type in Blogger. Once you type in Blogger, use the first link here. Now, this is the first link for you to enter into the page. All you have to do here, you can see I have been able to do some of my works here. Good. Once you enter the Blogger, it's going to tell you to sign in or create a post. Make sure to sign in with your email and confirm yourself. Then you are going to enter this page. Now, all you have to do here is to just click on new page or new post. So I'll click on new post. So I'll wait for the page to load for me. So this is the new post for me to do my stuffs out here. So what do I have to do is to think of something very catchy, something which is trending. Now we know that Mbappe is moving to Madrid. We also know that a lot of footballers are moving or transfers is ongoing. United is signing, Madrid is signing, entertainment aspect is ongoing, beauty, fashion, everything is ongoing. There is a trending. So look out for something which is very trending and let's work on it here. For the sake of this video, I would like to go in for how to make money online. Okay, so go to your chat GPT and then search in for, type in for write an article. Write an article on how to make money online. Okay, 2024 rates 300 rates. Okay, so here we go. So tell ChatGPT to write an article for you. So it is currently writing an article here for me. So how to make money online 2024. Good. So the first thing I have to do here is to just copy the title. Okay, so this is the title. It has been generated for me. Copy the title. All right, so go back to your blog and then here is the title. Post in or paste in your title. Good. So the second step we have to do here is to go back to chat GPT and then we have to highlight everything here. So you have to highlight everything we've written or the bot has written for us. So here we go. All right, so you copy this, go back to your posts and then enter everything here. All right, so you can see everything is copied here successfully. All right, so this is how it's actually going to look on your page. Now we have to make some indicators here. Now you can even take out your title here. You can take out your title here and then insert it at this area. So let's say at this sector. All right, so I think it's not copied enough. So let's go to ChatGPT and copy the title here. So let's say I want to copy this. All right, so go back and just enter it here. Good. Now we can make an adjustment to this. Let's say we want to make it bold. Now you can see we are making it bold. Let's say we want to make an alignment to center. So let's make a center alignment All right, so you can see our post is in the center of the page or in the center of our article. Good. So we have to insert in something like a picture or something like that. So let's say freelancing. Let me add something here. So let's go to new page and type in freelancer. So freelancer, and then let me check out here images and add something to it. So let's say this is freelancer. So this is a picture that I want to add it to the blog that I've written. Good. So here we go. So just save up this picture, save this picture, and let's go back to our post. So let's save it. Is it successfully saved? Let me check it out. Let's save it to again. Okay, so let me save it at the download here. So let's go back to our post and click on the image icon here. So this is the image icon. Click on that. Click on upload from computers. We are making it very catchy. Okay, we are making it very catchy. That's why we are stressing on it. So click on browse so that once people get to know it, they will just simply tap on it. Then we go. So here is freelancer that we insert it. So it is loading, and then you can see it in our rec. All right, so this is freelancer. Okay, so you can see freelancer is here. Now what we have to do here is to go back to our Monetag account and then copy this link. Once this link is copied, go back to your post or your blog post and then highlight freelancer. Okay, once you highlight freelancer, come here, check it out. You see insert or edit link, click on that. Now insert your link here. All right, insert your link here, click on apply. Good. Do same to the next one, that is the next one here. Click on insert link, insert it here, apply. Good. So go to the next one, affiliate marketing, and then go to insert and then insert it here. Good. So here we go. This is how exactly it's going to look like. Okay, so do this to all of the subtitles or subheading or something like that. Okay, do this to any of them. Do this to all of them. Let's say all of them. So you click on that, you insert it, you click, you insert it in that way. All right, so here we go. We are almost done. Good. So apply. Good. So we can see that they have changed color and how they looks like. Good. So this is how it's going to look like for us. Now I think we are comfortable with this. Are we not? Of course we are. You can go on and add many indicators, but make sure you insert your link. Very, very important. Now you can check on the preview here to know how it's going to look like. But then you can check on the preview to see how your post is going to look like. Let's click on publish. Now we are to confirm it, and now posts published. All right, so this post is published here, so you can see it is published. That is 19th July. It is published here. Look, the first thing you have to do here, or the next thing you have to do here, is to just copy the link. Copy the link of your work that we've just done it right now here. So let's say copy the link, open a new tab again. Once you open a new tab, insert the link or click on the link, and let's see how it's going to look like once someone tap on the link. Let's make a final confirmation. So once someone tap on the link, this is how it's going to look like. How to make money online, a quick guide. So you can see how to make money online in 2024. So this is a very quick one. So once anyone type or once anyone click on your link, they are automatically going to end up redirecting to different page, which means your link is working. Your Monetag link is working. Good. So you can see the link is giving out different ideas. Okay, so let me just close it and focus on the next step. So the next step here is to go to any browser or any social media platform. So I would like to go in for Facebook. So this is my Facebook account currently right now here. Good. So this is my Facebook account right now here. All I have to do here is to search for any group which is making my day. So how to make money. How to make money online. So once we're searching for how to make money online, here are a lot of groups here. So the best for you have to do here is to just search in through the groups and look at the one with um a lot of members. Okay, so how to make money online. So these are a lot of groups here. So the best thing you have to do is just click on the group you want to publish, okay, your link or your blog. Okay, so once you just open the group, here we go. So the first thing you have to do here is to just write something here. So we are creating the post, so we are creating our link here. So we have to get another picture which is going to show something like something catchy to indicate how to make money online. So once people get to see this, they will get engaged. All right, so let's take this and see. So here is how to make money online. So let's paste in our link. So this is our link. Okay, so we can go on and give some caption like you can go on and give some caption like um easy way to make cool dollars online. Okay, so here we go. All right, so this is how it's going to look like, something very catchy, some caption, and just click on posts. Once the admin approve it, then it's going to be posted in the group. So let me check this out if it's going to be posted. So it says that to approve this post, join the group. Okay, so let's say, okay, let's submit everything. Okay, good. So this is the admin's preference. So this is our post here. It is currently pending. So once the admin approve it, you are good to go. So make sure to join some of the groups which will make your post go through without admin approving it. All right, so let's search in for different group. So let's say different group, like let's say this one with few members, maybe they might approve our link. So let's check this one out. Okay, so this one is currently trying to open. So this is the group here. So let's try to type in something. Let's try to put in something. So let's take our picture and insert it and check it out if it's going to be approved successfully without admin or the admin approving our link here. Okay, so let's post and see something here. Okay, so it is still in the process of posting, and let's check it out if it's going to be successfully posted. So yes, so this one too requires, okay, this one has been approved. So you can see that make a dollar sign here. So if you are to give a caption, you would have seen that here we go. So once anyone clicks on your link, clicks on this link, it's going to redirect the person to your article. So the person will be reading your article and be engaged to type in, maybe the person is interested in affiliate marketing. Once the person click on affiliate marketing, since we have embedded our link inside affiliate marketing, it's going to redirect the person to your ad that we created on Monetag. So this is the page that is going to redirect. Okay, so this is very simple, guys. This is very simple. You can earn a lot, and trust me, keep consistency for some 1 week or 2 weeks, and just leave the testimony in my comment section. You're going to enjoy it a lot. I hope you enjoy this particular content. All you have to do is to just subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and I hope to see you in my next video.